Hello and welcome back. Today's video is going to be short and sweet as I have here this little bad boy which was impossible to put my hands on it, but now I finally found it on Cult Beauty. I placed an order, it just arrived and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a review right now, so please keep on watching. What I want to mention in the first instance is the fact that my eyebrows are very stubborn. It's basically impossible to find a product that is gonna fix my eyebrows and make them stay like that all day long. So I'm super excited to start using this one, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. It seems that everyone is in love with it. So many good reviews everywhere, so many people are using it, and I'm like, you know, I really want to see if this product is worth the hype or not. I'm gonna zoom a little bit just because I want you guys to see very well what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna take this type of spoolie, which most probably everyone knows about them. They are very cheap, you can find them on Amazon. I think I bought 50 of these with £3 or something like that. I don't remember. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Then we take the brow freeze. Let's take a small amount of product. A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Let's zoom a little bit more. Let's apply it to see how it looks like. Okay, it's nice. I mean, that's it. That's all you have to do. I'm literally impressed because I can feel them in place already. I can feel that they're fixed. Okay, I wasn't expecting this, to be honest, because each time I'm using the setting spray and the soap, it's very difficult to fix them, spray, fix again, and it's a little bit messy, but you can work very clean with this one. Okay, that's nice. I mean, that's really nice. Let's take a little bit more and apply on this eyebrow. Okay, that's nice. That's really, really nice. So let's fix them even better. Nice. That's a nice job. I'm super impressed that my eyebrows are basically looking so good without too much effort. This was unexpected. Now I want to use the brow pen from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I'm just basically drawing false hair strokes and fill in any empty places. Now the next thing that I want to do is to use a concealer. I'm going to use this one from Laura Mercier. Let's see, Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo. I have it in shade 1N. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, blend everything very well. You can do this thing with any other concealer, but I love so much using the one from Laura Mercier because I love the texture, I love so much how it blends, and I love so much how it lasts. And most of all, I love so much the finish because it's super natural. So you can see right now how important it is to apply the concealer, because basically this is gonna give the final shape of your eyebrow, and in the same time it's gonna lift everything and illuminate your face a little bit. You see, there is a huge difference. That's all I'm doing. I can't believe that my eyebrows look so good. I mean, this is a really nice product, Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's not like I wasn't expecting to use again another amazing product that made by you, but it's actually worth the money, it's actually worth the hype. Please let me know if you had the chance to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze by now. I would really love to know your impressions. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!